Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how we do our white label onboarding system. The reason why we sort of built this system out is we want to enable our agency owners to be able to sign up to the platform very easily, as well as to get started as soon as possible. The biggest issue we see with a lot of these newer agency owners is the ability to take action. So obviously starting your own agency is different than working a full-time job, and we understand that. So we want to be able to allow our users to jump onto our platform and immediately start selling. And that's sort of what I'll go through today. So there's a few steps that we go through. So first step is you start off and we do our logos. We'll do the favicon next. Put that as a logo. We'll just do my agency name. So I'm going to name it as Trillet Agency. And light color, I will prefer this color. Actually, let's do that one. And the dark mode, I don't mind the white. I'll leave it as the white. And obviously, if you're on the agency plan, you can customize your domain so that you can say app.domain or yourdomain.com or whatever it is. We're just going to skip it for the purpose of this tutorial, just because we want to make it as smooth into the platform as possible. So we'll just press save and continue. Brilliant. And we want to be able to get our agency partners to actually build the first agent, which has a bunch of, I guess, functions and tools already attached to it, without having to connect end-to-end, because obviously that takes a lot of time, right? So what we can do is we can put our business website in. So I'll just do Trillet and an optional phone number. So we're just going to find the business. After that, we can then also select the voice. So I'm just going to select Astra, and we can create the first agent.
Hi, I'm Ming, before co.
So meanwhile that's going, we have obviously a VSL that people can play. But the idea behind what we're doing now is we want to educate a lot of our agency owners, as well as also tell people how to sell these voice agents. The issue with custom voice agents, and although I do agree that custom can be really beneficial at times, is that we want to be able to help our agency owners sell. Because everyone can learn how to build, but selling is another story in terms of being able to sell these voice agents. And because of these 5-minute voice agents that we can create now with Trillet agents, it allows our partners have another level of ability to sell these voice agents. It opens new channels, it opens new partnerships, and that's sort of why we're going down this route of why we believe Trillet agencies and sort of people who white label Trillet have a really, I guess, positive and beneficial impact compared to going with other potential companies as well. So after that, the agent's been created, awesome. We can continue to the next step. You sort of then get an opportunity to jump on an onboarding call with us so we can answer any questions. And I guess if you're a bit more experienced, you can sort of dive into the platform yourself. So I'm just going to dive in. Brilliant. Next, you also sort of get some opportunities to sort of work with us, and we have a free school community. The school community has obviously all the engineers, and also has our LinkedIn as well, where you can sort of get a lot of the updates that we have at the moment, going with features, updates, etc. We also sort of go over through what's inside our community and why we think it's a bit different than other communities. In this case, we're sort of the ones that have built the platform, right? So we know how to build on it, and we know what's best in terms of best practices. So we provide, not only is the engineering sort of team located in our school, but also the marketing and go-to-market team in terms of how to actually get sales as an agency. Our agency partners, myself and the co-founders and the team, have all made 10K per month agencies, and we want to be able to assist our agencies in terms of getting to that stage. Everyone can learn how to build. There's countless YouTube tutorials on how to build voice agents through N8N, through Vappy, Retail, but nobody tells you how to sell these agents, which is why we've got live wins, case studies, we've got scripts, we've got contracts in order to convert these leads into actual clients. So you can join the school, and after we join the school, or we can go on LinkedIn, we can then go into the next step. And beautiful. So the first agent is done now. You've got your actual agent, and you can have a test call. I will not do the test call here just because I want to go to the dashboard and show you why it's pretty cool what we've done in sort of the 5 minutes. So we'll go to the dashboard. Beautiful. And your white label is done.